is the final demonstration of our project. As you can see here on my screen, this is a real-time information about Ami's brain, signals that are coming in, and this is the corresponding Fourier transform calculated on it. The oscilloscope is showing his brain waves are relatively calm, and there he is with his electrodes on. So in this demonstration, when Ami tries to think about moving, now we're going to see the LED pop on, and we're going to see a huge amount of brain activity on the oscilloscope. So Ami, can you do your trick for us?
Move? Think about moving?
Yeah, exactly. As you can see, his brain activity is starting to peak right here as he thinks about it harder and harder. And this device is really quite, takes a while to get it to the right level. And as you can see over there, I fired off.
Should I think about moving again?
Yeah, try again, Ami. There we go. See, we were able to light it up again.
You want to have like a calm period and see when nothing happens?
Yeah, sure. So we're going to wait until this device becomes calm now.
No, like I'm calm, so nothing should happen.
They're calming, and as you can see, no LED. Right? And now he's about to do it again. Ami?
Do it again?
Yeah. So he's like, he's getting his brain waves up again, and there we go. It lit up. Excellent. Thank you for the demonstration, Ami.